Hey, I'm Nixie Pixel and you're watching OS Alt, your source for open source. It's that time again for news. I'm really excited because this week we're talking finally being able to watch Netflix on Linux with a new application. Then how Linux saved a city in Germany $13 million, and we can't forget the open source sex toy that is controlled by nothing but the Force. Yeah, now you're paying attention. Brought to you by GoToAssist. You caught me red-handed, you know I dual boot, so I would just cheat and go on Windows for it, but as of a month ago, if you were just a Linux user and wanted to stream Netflix, you were kind of out of luck. Unless you wanted to go through immense amounts of code to get Firefox and Microsoft Silverlight working in a custom-built version of Wine. I'm getting frustrated just thinking of it. Well, now you can install the Netflix desktop app by just adding the PPA. Then, running Ubuntu, you can ogle Amy Pond as much as you want in Doctor Who. Hey baby, it's bigger on the inside. And that sounded better in my head. Let's give a big sonic screwdriver to all the community's hard work in developing a way to make this possible, and there's more links below on how you can help in the description box. And because the application isn't technically official, I'll be making a video tutorial on how to install it soon, along with troubleshooting the problems that have come up, but there haven't been many. Speaking of problems, the city of Munich dodged a $14.3 million bullet by switching from Windows to LiMux, their own Linux distro which runs on the city's existing hardware. Of course it does, Linux also runs on all my dying beige technology at home, but still, it turns out that migrating from Windows 2000 to Windows 7... Wait, they were on Windows 2000? It turns out that there's a huge cost associated not just in migrating to Windows, but also the training they'd need and software like Microsoft Office, etc. and so on. You're seeing not just a bunch of German now, but a cost comparison that outlines that they would have spent a whopping $34 million in total if they went the Windows way. Okay, United States, let's use Munich as a shining example on how to put a dent in our laughable amount of debt. Now for something that may shock you. You've heard me say this before, but in case you haven't, I love having techgasms. I mean, that feeling you get when you open the anti-static bag on a new component, or you get that game that you've been waiting on forever. Technology is sexy, so sex technology is even sexier. Woo, say that 5 times fast. This is the vibrator in question, more precisely, the radio-controlled LELO vibrator by LELO. And what's on my right is the Vibeam sonar remote, hard as an Arduino board. But really, it speaks the same RF protocol as our little vibrating friend here, using only an Arduino board, a radio chip, a portable power source, and some LEDs for the display. Hack all the things, right? Here are some of your thoughts to make the experience even more intense. Frank Ney says now all you need is a Wi-Fi connection plus secure video conferencing, and long-distance relationships will get a whole lot easier to deal with. Billy Reynolds says, what about cybersex? You could have someone else with Kinect controlling the vibrations with their whole body. Talk about multiplayer. I didn't know they still called it cybersex. Anyway, what's the weirdest hardware hack you've ever done? And if you haven't yet, what are some that you've dreamt up? Let me know in a comment below, and thanks for watching OS Alt. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on next Friday's episode of All Things Open Source. Guess what job I'm talking here? Your inbox is always full, you get constant IMs from coworkers, and they pull you in every different direction to show you something that makes you facepalm. Ow. You're in IT, and as much as you want to wear that shirt that says, no, I won't fix your computer, your boss just won't let you get away with it, and that's where GoToAssist comes in. Imagine solving all the annoyances I mentioned by using one simple platform, and it's by Citrix, the leader in remote support. Yes, I said remote. That means you can easily do the one thing for which all workers aspire: telecommute. With the remote support app, you can provide live or unattended support to multiple clients at once using your PC, Mac, iPad, even your Android device. So you can finally spend some quality time in bed with your weighted companion cube. Easily manage, inventory, and check up on all your devices, networks, and servers by using GoToAssist's monitoring feature, with proactive alerting to identify problems so you can fix them before your coworkers you left at the office show up at your door. And all the while, you can log incidents and their solutions with Service Desk. GoToAssist is an essential tool for everyone in IT, so I'm giving you a special 30-day free trial. Just head over to gotoassist.com, click on the Try It Free button, and use the promo code OSALT. That's gotoassist.com, promo code OSALT, and start doing work in your PJs today.